Today I'm going to show you how to make limoncello. It's a popular digestive. A lot of restaurants in Italy will make it, homemade of course, and then they'll give you some complimentary after you eat your meal in a restaurant. I'm going to do oroncello this time though. It's made the exact same way, but you use oranges instead of lemons. Start out with about 10 or 12 decent sized oranges. You can go more if you want. You're going to start with a regular potato peeler. What you're going to do is you're going to peel the skin. So make sure that your oranges are organic. You don't want any pesticides and stuff in your skin when you're soaking it. You'll get this nice skin where all the essential oils are. You don't want this pith. That makes it really bitter. So you can just continue to peel the whole orange. And this is what you're going to be putting into your alcohol. I use Everclear. It's 120 proof. It's wicked strong. Don't put a match near it. It'll blow your house up. It's like turpentine. It is 120 proof grain alcohol. It's 60% alcohol by volume. You want something pure, but using the 120 proof Everclear is just fine. And I use about 10 to 12 oranges with their peels, just orange peels. If I'm doing limoncello, I use probably 15 to 20 because they're small. I just like to get a lot of peel in because the essential oils soaking in the grain, pure grain alcohol is what makes it absolutely flavorful and delicious. After I get this all peeled, I'll pour my Everclear into a big jar and I'll put my peels in and I'll let it sit for 6 weeks. So I strain the orange peels into this jar. I used a larger jar. Then the orange peels you can just throw away. So next I made my simple syrup. I used just organic cane sugar, equal amounts of sugar and water. And you just melt that down, not on high. Melt it down on like a low heat. Now that it came to a boil, I'm going to turn it off. We don't want it to boil, we just want it to melt. And then the last step is just let it cool completely and pour it in and mix it. And then just taste and see if it's to your liking. This is the exact same recipe for oroncello and limoncello. They come out fabulous. So after you've added your simple syrup and you've actually made your limoncello or oroncello, you can put it into any kind of bottles or jar that you want. As a matter of fact, this time I'm going to leave it in the large jar until I individually give it away. This is limoncello that we made last time, and I got these cool little bottles on Amazon. They weren't very expensive, and I use these as gifts. So they come with lids, and you don't have to store it in the fridge. You can keep it in a cupboard. I mean, it's a liqueur. It's a sweet liqueur. So basically, it'll last forever. Another thing you can do with this, they have a drink in Italy. I don't remember the name of it, but we found it when we were driving through the Amalfi Coast. And we pulled off at just all the little towns we pull off, and we saw someone having a drink and it was yellow. We're like, what's that drink? And the guy said, I can't remember what it's called. It's kind of like a Aperol Spritz, but instead of putting Aperol, you put limoncello in. So basically it's limoncello, Prosecco, ice, and a little bit of club soda or soda water. And that's it. And it makes a really refreshing, nice lemony drink. You can do it also, obviously, with the oroncello. And when you drive through the Amalfi Coast and different parts of Italy, you'll find in the little small shops and restaurants and things, people will make all of the different kinds. They'll make like liqueurs out of pistachio, all different flavors, but they do the oroncello. They'll do a cream liqueur, which would be like kind of like a Bailey's type thing. They make everything, so it's kind of cool. And when you go to markets and stuff too, you'll see this kind of stuff. They'll have different kinds of liqueurs that are homemade that they make. So it's really cool. So experiment, try to make it on your own because it's not difficult. And I think it's a great gift to give. And these nice little bottles on Amazon, they're great for, 4 or 5 little drinks. And they're perfect to be drunk out of all of these perfect little aperitif or digestive glasses. We just love Positano, so we drive through there almost every time we go to Italy, to our house in Italy. I did a great vlog on Positano. You guys should see that. I also did one on Aperol Spritz, making an Aperol Spritz. So watch that one too. But we get these cute little glasses. I just love them. And we have a small collection. We won't do much more than this. I mean, how many aperitifs can you drink at once? But these are just lovely. These were right in Positano down on the water, actually. And they have the cutest little glasses. So this is the perfect little glass to drink your homemade limoncello or oroncello. And just enjoy your evening. It's a little bit of Italy while I'm here in America. And that's really all there is to it. Take care. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you can. Ring the bell so you can get my videos. Thanks. Hey, check out our merch store with our logo and cool travel designs. All of our clothes are made with 100% cotton or organic cotton, all colors and sizes. Tees, tanks, hoodies, and more, along with accessories like mugs, glasses, cell phone cases, and masks. Please support our channel and get some cool merch. Store link in the description.